wala na ako ma-trainer. Kalau mga na matiginahan. Hindi mo na, sir. Okay, so we give them the benefit of block number 3. Ibang hangin, ibang yun. Block number 3, you can walk now the stage. Stage. Basta lang naman.
And Curtis daw ko karon. Yabag. Pwede na mag-start? Okay, good morning, magandang umaga, MMG people. We are the mighty. Oh, mighty six. Mighty, mighty, mighty six. Mighty, mighty, mighty six. We are the mighty six. Okay, good morning. This is the answers of group 3. Okay, the 6 members of the mighty six. 1, si Doktora Maria Bertenias, si Bob, si Kuya Boy, Maternuaga, si Sally, o si Joyce, and I am Chick Chick. O, Chalky. Okay, number 1, what is this, in one sentence, write down what you think your main role as a supervisor. So we decided to come up to a answer of number 1 is our main role is to lead the group to come up with the best solution. Okay, because we believe that as a leader, you should think a best solution to any problem that would arise in your siblings or in your department or in your work responsibilities. Number 2, what are your main supervisory responsibilities? Okay, we believe that as a supervisor, we are required to lead, to guide, to support, and to give compliments to your subordinate who do his or her best. And number 3, what obstacles do you personally believe that makes it difficult for you to fulfill of these responsibilities? Number 1 is communication. Because without communication, proper communication, we could not come up to a solution of problems. We cannot solve without communication. And number 2 is different ideals. Because I believe that each person has or have his own ideals. But as a leader, you should set your own ideals for them to follow. Good ideals for them to follow. Number 4, rank your answer in question number 2 and number 3. Okay. We rank lead as our number 1 and B as our guide and so on and so forth. support with documents. The number 3 is communication and different ideals.